A Spokane County judge rules prosecutors in the Cliff Helm vehicular homicide trial cannot emphasize the 5 victims in the crash were children. Helm was accused of causing the wreck that killed the 5 Schrock children in November of 2005. And jury selection in his trial is set to begin on Monday. KXLY4's Erik Loney was in the courtroom for a pretrial hearing and joins us live with details. Erik?
Yeah, Helm's attorneys won 3 victories today. A judge agreed to ban gruesome pictures of the Schrock children after they were dead, and he also ruled that prosecutors cannot make a big deal of the fact that the victims in this case were all children.
Cliff Helm faces 5 counts of vehicular homicide, 1 count for each of the Schrock children killed in the November 2005 crash. Today, Helm's attorneys asked a judge to ban gruesome photos of the dead children from the upcoming trial, arguing that the pictures are unnecessary and would only inflame the jury.
Why does the jury need to see them? The answer is they don't. It's highly prejudicial.
Superior Court Judge Michael Price agreed.
My review of the photos only brings one word to mind, and that's horrifying. Those photos are just horrifying.
Pictures of the children before the crash can and will be used at the trial, although Price agreed with Helm's attorneys that prosecutors cannot play to the jury's emotions by overemphasizing the fact that the victims in this case were children.
And to over and over again reference that we have, for example, 5 dead children as an example would clearly, I think, be unnecessary.
Helm is accused of driving recklessly when he crossed the median and hit the Schrock truck head-on on Highway 395. Many emergency responders reported it was the worst crash they've ever seen. At least 1 firefighter had to leave the scene because it was so bad. Today, Judge Price also ruled the first responders' emotional testimony about how the crash impacted them would be banned from the trial.
I'm satisfied that any emotional discussion, any emotional reaction by law enforcement or emergency personnel simply isn't relevant.
Prosecutors in the case told me that the judge's ruling really won't change their case. They told me they never planned to show those photos or play up the fact that the victims were children. You know, the facts will speak for themselves. Jury selection is scheduled to start on Monday, but there is a chance the trial will be delayed a week so attorneys can interview witnesses for the upcoming trial. Reporting live, Erik Loney, KXLY4.